What's happening, man? Wepa! It's Louie the Boiler Man. Woo-hoo! I got a beautiful project going on today, guys. We're installing a ROTH oil tank, 275 gallons. That's right, guys. You heard it yourself. So the customer called us. They told us they want to replace it, and we're here doing the job. So, guys, let me show you guys what it takes to install a ROTH oil tank. Let's go! So right now we just finished cutting a quarter of the tank. You guys can see we get access to the oil tank. All this oil that's good has to be transferred to a transfer pump into the 55-gallon drums to make sure they have heat and hot water, not only for tonight, for a couple of days. We won't be back until a couple of days. But guys, this is part of the process. Once we remove this oil tank, once we remove all this oil from the oil tank, then we're gonna get to the part where it's like sludge and sediment, and that we're gonna have to remove as well. So guys, stay tuned. Just another day with Louie the Boiler Man removing a 275 oil tank, and we're going to install a 275 ROTH oil tank. Stay tuned. Wepa. All right, guys, you guys can see we're building that pad over here. So we got the temporary drums over here for the oil, which we're already done. The oil tank is already in the truck. Garbage, we're gonna move everything out as soon as we're done. But guys, this is what it is to install a pad for an oil tank. So it was sinking before. It did have a pad, but it was plastic. It was sinking into the actual grass. And now that we're installing a new ROTH oil tank, they want a new pad, and this is exactly what they want, and this is exactly what they're getting. So guys, just another day with Louie the Boiler Man. But if you're looking to purchase a new oil tank and you want it done the proper way, you can always call Louie the Boiler Man. Where? 516-377-5200. Wepa. happening, mi gente? Louie the Boiler Man. Wepa! Guys, we'll be here, like I mentioned to you early in the video, and we're in Hicksville, New York. So guys, we're here early in the week to do the actual platform, which you guys can see right here. It came out beautiful. It's like an art piece. Picasso. Only difference is Louie the Boiler Man. And that's right, guys. So right now we finished doing that early in the week, and now we're installing the actual oil tank. It's a ROTH oil tank. It's a little different than a Granby 275 standard oil tank, but this tank is a little better. It has a better guarantee, which is about 30 years. That's right, 30-year warranty from the manufacturer. Also, the liner is made out of plastic, so there's no corrosion, and you don't got to worry about condensation. So guys, they made the extra expense, and they made the extra effort to get a ROTH tank, and that's exactly what they want, and that's exactly what we're giving them. So guys, check it out. So this right here is the fill. This is where you put the oil into the tank, right here. Momentarily going to see it, but it's a whistle. Also, it's a vent. It's a vent alarm, the same thing. We also got the tank gauge, and we also going to do the supply. This is the supply line. Looks something like, well, looks something like this. So basically, sucking the oil from here, going to a Hvac check valve. And the reason why we have a check valve here, we don't want no oil to siphon back to the tank. So we do have to put a check valve here because it's sucking fuel from the top, not from the bottom. If you were sucking oil from the bottom, it will be gravity. There's no need for this. But because it's an overhead oil line, we suggest installing a check valve. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you at the end of the video what it looks like at the end when it's all completely done. And guys, you let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. But most importantly, guys, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, smash that bell button, and I'd love to hear from you guys. So guys, with that being said, woo-wee, wepa!